morning and hello, I'm Professor Code and this is the Forex Supermodel Racing Review and Forex Briefing for Friday the 24th of February 2023. We had no racing yesterday, so the account's static at plus 69.9 units, so 70, from a peak of about 72. We've had a bit of a semi-pasting recently where we've gone for a bit and just missed out, or significantly missed out, depends on your view. So that's where we are. And today we've had a really good look at it. We've got an ROI, which is a ratio of interest, Wolverhampton 615. It's a 4-runner handicap, class 3, 3-year-old, 0 to 95, 8.5 furlongs, model 93. Initially we looked at it and thought, yeah, we're going to have a go at this race. You've got this sudden ambush favourite. We looked at sudden ambush and basically it's been running at York, Chelmsford and Lingfield a couple of times. These are speedier surface pace profiles, and that horse it's an A mover basically. That horse it means it's where are we? So it's an A mover, and it's a very good looking horse. It can quicken. And all the rest of it. So you know we were considering, and it's about 10 to 11 evens. So we were sort of thinking of using that as an anchor, and then we thought, well, we'll have a look at this this other one, which is this mint edition. A mint edition, which is number 4, sorry. Mint edition. I mean that's another decent looking horse. It's been coming up through the ranks. It tends to get slowly away. It wears sort of painting and decorating rollers, if you want to look at it on the replay. And it's a sort of very deceptive horse. It will quicken, and it looks pretty decent. And so we were gonna use sudden ambush as our break-even hedge, and then sort of pile on to mint edition, but then we looked at the other two, and if you could have knocked out the other two with any certainty, then that would have been a sensible approach. And so we looked at this Coco Jack, and Coco Jack's been punching pretty good level. It's a very speedy horse. It wins at Brighton, and it can grind it out at Beverley, which is a slower course, and it wins at Hamilton 6, which is a fast track as well. So it would be difficult to, and it's a sort of a front running horse, which will sort of either set it up or upset it for everybody. And then this other one, Gincident, which is number 3. That's a speedy horse as well, and that can cause some problems. Southall 8, model 93, last run, very decent run, and so the end result is you've got 4 horses which are potentially in good nick and all running against each other. And it's a very competitive race, so if you're going to have a go at that, just bear that in mind. And in our view, you wouldn't want to take a short price about sudden ambush with in that environment, but obviously that's down to you. So we'll just have to sit and suffer really, and look at that and have a think, see how that pans out for the future. So on the Forex front, you've got US PCE, which is the preferred measure of inflation for the Fed supposedly, and the markets are jittery at the moment. The dollar's sort of softening up a little bit. The pound's the interesting one there. They're front running the pound at the moment, GBP, something to bear in mind. Yesterday we didn't get a bounce trading, but we did do some scalping on the euro dollar. So the euro dollar was at about I don't know, quarter to 4, something like that, about 3:45 if you want to look at the charts around that time. we sold the euro dollar and made a few pips there. But generally the markets are very twitchy and lack direction, and they're yo-yoing at the moment. And this week has been pretty slow for us, so we can't do much there. So that's where we are really. Yesterday we had a no bet, and the day before we actually got a minor winner. And today we've got a race of interest at Wolverhampton at 6:15, and the Forex is going to be interesting. We might get a bounce trade in, we might not. So we'll see how we go, and we'll let you know over the weekend. Anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and goodbye.